after the holidays, y'all, our kids have gotten used to eating a lot of sweets in the month of December. Well, I'm trying to make the wee ones in our house, I'm trying to make them a little bit healthier sweet stuff that they think they're getting. So I've got a bag of milk chocolate, little nuggets, and it's melted. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil and mix that in with our melted chocolate. I'm going to turn that off because I don't want it to scorch. Doesn't that look pretty, Teresa? Mm-hmm. So what we're doing is frozen bananas. And I'm just going to take this banana, cut the ends off, and then I'm going to cut it. Let's try thirds. You know, because a little bit of this will go a long way, don't you think? Okay. Want to make sure that vegetable oil is in there correctly. All right. I'm just going to drop that in our chocolate. And you better get up there, you piece of banana. And then into our coconut. And in the freezer they go. So like I said, they'll think this is sweet, but it's not as sweet as like gooey butter cake cookies, you know? Or cream cheese cookies.
They're really pretty.
Mm-hmm. They'll love eating them. Teresa, they'll just be fun for them, you know? Something a little different. All right, I'm probably gonna have to keep turning this on and off. Okay. That first one got a lot of chocolate on it. And I think it'll work better if we don't let so much chocolate get on it, you know?
Speak for yourself.
Okay, here we go. Just toss that in the coconut. Get me a show enough stick. Look how pretty. I used to make these for my children when they were little. You know, the frozen bananas. And encourage them to eat fruit. I keep forgetting to change my stick out, because this stick is much sturdier. So I'm going to go ahead, Teresa, and get these 3 in the freezer, because I don't want our bananas to get brown on us, although I don't think they will. But after they freeze, then I'll take each one of them and I'll wrap them in like a saran wrap or something like that. So when all the kids come, all I have to do is just pull them out. And I'm not going to be able to taste this one, because it's going to take a few hours probably for it to freeze. But just know it's good. You know what else would be good here in the coconut is crushed nuts, because I love a nut in everything I eat. I love bananas and nuts, you know, together. But right now, these are going into the freezer. So I'm going to go ahead and finish these off, the rest of the bananas off. And like I said, in January, we got to get some good things in our kids, don't we? I mean, everything we've given them has been good, real good. But now we need to think on the little healthier side. So I'm going to finish those. And I will see y'all on the next video. Love and best dishes. Hey y'all, it's Paula Dean. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.